Today we will check how to repeat string without using any for loop. JavaScript string object has one method repeat that takes single argument, that is integer, and it specifies how many number of times this string should be repeated. Let's take one simple example. I have one string that contains star, okay, and I want to repeat this string 5 times. Then I will write string dot repeat 5. And now if I print this and assign it to a new variable, because repeat return as a new string, then if I type it like for example str1, and if I console str1, then it will print star 5 times here. If we input the integer 0 here, then repeat will return an empty string. Let's take one more example. We will create star rating functionality using String.repeat method. So we will create one function, create rating function, create rating, and this will take rating as an input. Now we will take two Unicode characters for full star and empty star. And now we will round off the rating provided by user using math.round function. So what it will do, if the user has given 3.7 rating, then math.round will round off this to the nearest whole number, so it will become 4, and if it is 3.2, then it will become 3. So whatever the rating will be, we will repeat star to that time. So what we will do here is we will do full star dot repeat and rating that we have rounded here. Okay, as we have total 5 stars, now full stars will be shown as same as number of rating, and empty stars will be 5 minus full stars. So here we will also create empty stars, empty star dot repeat 5 minus rating. Now we will create the full string by concatenating stars and empty stars. Now let's check by executing the function. We will pass a static rating 3.5 here, and here we will see that 4 stars full stars are shown and 1 is empty star. If we will change the rating to 3.2, then 3 full stars will be shown, as 3.2 will be rounded off to 3 and 2 empty stars will be shown.